Hi, good
Hi.
morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Iyashika.
How old are you?
I'm 3 years old.
What's your father name?
Father name is Adinaina.
What's your mother name?
Mother name is Santoshi.
What is your brother name?
Brother name is Harish.
Very good. Say the alphabets.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L,
Mm.
L, O,
M.
M, O,
N.
N, O, P,
Q.
U,
Q.
Q, R, S, T, U, R,
V.
V, W, X, Y, C.
Very good.
మళ్ళీ అసలు చెప్పరా
How many days of the week?
I'm more than
How many days of the week? ఎన్ని డేస్ ఉన్నాయి? 7 days.
7 days of the week.
చెప్పు చెప్పు
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Very good.